A very good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today class is the chapter 14, surface areas and volume. Surface areas of and volume, cube and cuboid. We know that a cube and cuboid, once observe that at the same time properties of a cube and cuboid. Okay, right. A very good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are discussing about a 14th chapter, surface areas and volume. Surface areas and volume. So first here given to the cube and cuboid. Surface areas is in two types are there, lateral surface area and total surface area. So first we have to take the cuboid. So here draw the cuboid diagram. Look at the board all of you. So it is a cuboid. Understand? So for example, we have to take the duster and matchbox like that. So in this case of lateral surface area means except top and bottom. Cuboid how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 6. How many faces total? 6 faces. Okay. So here remaining here except top and bottom. So finally lateral surface area means 4 faces. Total surface area means 6 faces. So here it is a length, breadth, height. Same time length, breadth, height. Understand here? So it is a cuboid, lateral surface area and a total surface area. So here find the what is the formula for lateral surface area and what is the formula for total surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to, so here it is a length, breadth, height. We know that. How many faces are there? 4 faces. So L into. So here how many faces? In this case 4 faces only lateral surface area. So it is a formula for 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B. It is a lateral surface area formula. And the total surface area is equal to 2 into, the formula is LB plus BH plus H. It is a total surface area of cuboid. These all are cuboid faces and lateral surface area and total surface area. Next cube. We know that cube means it is a 3D dimensions. It is a 3D figures. This is also 3D figures. 2D shape means square. In this case of 2D shape means rectangle. In this case of 2D shape means square. So write the all sides are equal. Understand, it is a cube. All sides are equal. So here L lateral surface of area. How many faces here? Lateral surface area equal to 4 faces. Same. And the total surface area equal to total 6 faces. Lateral surface area means without except top and bottom remaining all surface areas adding. We know that the area of a square means a square. Here how many faces are there? Lateral surface area only 4 faces. We should write here 4a square. And total surface area equal to 6. Total means total how many faces? 6. 6a square. That is a formula of cube and cuboid. Understand this one? Okay, right. Next, page number 298, do this. Next, page number 298, do this. Find the total surface area of cuboid. We know that. What is the formula total surface area of cuboid? So here already given that L equal to length equal to 4 centimeters and here breadth equal to 4 centimeters and here height equal to 10 centimeter, already given that. So total here asking the total surface area of cuboid. So it is a shape of cuboid or cuboid. So total surface of cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. It is a cuboid of total surface area. So here substitute the L and P values. 2 into L is a 4 and B is a 4 plus B 4 into height 10 plus here height 10 into L length is a 4. 2 into 4 4s are 16 plus 4 10s are 40 plus 10 4s are 40. So here 2 into 16 plus 40, 56. 56 plus 40, 96. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19. Here cuboid means square centimeters. So it is a total surface area of cuboid. Next, do this second problem is that you will find. Okay, that is a homework. Understand here? Total surface area of a cuboid formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. Next, page number 300. Try this first one. Find the surface area of a cube A and lateral surface area of a cube B. Surface area means here asking the surface area means we will find the total surface of area. So particularly asking lateral surface area we will find. Okay. So here did not given to the surface area. Only surface area means total surface area we will find. Understand here? So first one is a find the surface area of a cube A. So it is the A diagram. So surface area means total surface of area. What is the cube of total surface area formula here given to the side? A equal to 10 centimeters. So cube means here 3D shape. So it is a all sides are equal. So here given to the side A equal to 10 centimeters. Total surface area means how many faces? 6 faces. So what is the formula? Total surface of area equal to 6 into A square units. Okay. So 6 into what is the A here? 10 whole square. 6 into 10 square means we should write the 10 2 times. 10 times are 100. So 6 into 100, 600 square. Already here given to the units centimeters, square units. So it is the first diagram A. And the second diagram B is a side A equal to 8 centimeters. So here given to the lateral surface area. So we know that a lateral surface area means what is the formula? Except top and bottom faces, remaining all. So total 6 faces, top to bottom except top and bottom. So that is a 4 faces. What is the formula? Lateral surface of area of cube equal to 4 into A square units. So 4 into A means 8 whole square. So here 8 2 times, right? 8 8s are 64. 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 256 square units means here centimeters. Understand here these two problems? Okay. Now remaining problems do the homework and let us start the exercise 14.1. Next, page number 300. Try this first one. Find the surface area of a cube A and lateral surface area of a cube B. Surface area means here asking the surface area means we will find the total surface of area. So particularly asking lateral surface area we will find. Okay. So here did not given to the surface area. Only surface area means total surface area we will find. Understand here? So first one is a find the surface area of a cube A. So it is the A diagram. So surface area means total surface of area. What is the cube of total surface area formula here given to the side A equal to 10 centimeters. So cube means here 3D shape. So it is all sides are equal. So here given to the side A equal to 10 centimeters. Total surface area means how many faces? 6 faces. So what is the formula? Total surface of area equal to 6 into A square units. Okay. So 6 into what is the A here? 10 whole square. 6 into 10 square means we should write the 10 two times. 10 times are 100. So 6 into 100, 600 square. Already here given to the units centimeters, square units. So it is the first diagram A. And the second diagram B is a side A equal to 8 centimeters. So here given to the lateral surface area. So we know that a lateral surface area means what is the formula? Except top and bottom faces, remaining all. So total 6 faces, top to bottom except top and bottom. So that is 4 faces. What is the formula? Lateral surface of area of cube equal to 4 into A square units. So 4 into A means 8 whole square. So here 8 2 times, right? 8 8s are 64. 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 256 square units means here centimeters. Understand here these two problems? Okay. Now remaining problems do the homework and let us start the exercise 14.1. So here observe that page number 303, exercise 14.1, first problem. Look at the textbook, children. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the given figure. Which box requires the less amount of material to make? So once observe that here given to the two type of one cuboid and one cube is given. Which box requires the less amount of material to make? So here you are asking the weight. You are asking the first figure and the second figure the weight. Comparing with the first figure weight and the second figure weight. Weight means here find the volume. Find the volume. What is the cuboid of volume formula? L into B into H units cube units or units cube. Okay. So here given that L equal to 6 centimeters and B equal to 40 centimeters and H is equal to 50 centimeters. So given the figure one observe that is a cuboid. We know that. So because of here given to the measurements different. So it is a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid, substitute of the values. L is a 60 into B is a 40 into height is H is a 50. So 60 40s. 6 4s are 24, remaining 2 zeros here 50. So multiply that 0 0 0 0 0 0 5 4s 20, 5 2s 10 plus 2 12. 0 0 0 12. So here write 1,20,000. So that is equal to 1,20,000 cube units. Because of here find the value. So here asking the weight of a cuboid and weight of a cube. So here the second figure observe that is all sides are same. So which type of figure that is a cube? What is the cube value? What is the volume of cube? So here side cube unit. Side means here all sides are equal. So here 50. Side S equal to 50 or A equal to 50. So here write A cube, that is also same. So whole cube. 50 cube means we should write the 50 into 50 into 50 writing 3 times. 50 50s are 2500 into 50. 0 0 0 0 0 0. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 stands plus 2. 5 2 1. So here, so finally 1,25,000 cube units. So here observe the two figures. Figure 1 is the cube units is 1,20,000. Figure 2 is the 1,25,000. Which is the less amount of less material of a figure cuboid? So here asking the which box requires the less amount of material to make. So less. So here write less amount of material. Less amount of material of figure first. Figure 1, that is only the cuboid box requires less amount of material equal to first one, cuboid. Understand this one? Okay. So once look at the second problem. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters. So find the side of your cube. Already given that the side of a square. Sorry, surface area of a square. It means a cube. Surface area of your cube 600 centimeters square given. Find the side of your cube. Find the side of your cube. So here cube side find out. So here draw the cube means all sides are same, but here given to the area of cube is 600 centimeters square. So find the side. So here surface area of cube equal to 600 centimeters square. What is the surface area of a cube? 6 a square. Surface area 6 a square equal to 600. A square is equal to both sides are multiplication, outside means division. 600 by 6. 100 times possible. A square equal to 100. A equal to square root of 100. We should write here 10 square. Square root to cancel. Therefore A equal to 10 centimeters. So it is a side of a cube. A equal to 10 centimeters. Understand that one? Okay, next third problem, do the homework. Now fourth one. Once look at the textbook, students, for exercise 14.1, third problem, just explain to the homework. Pramila painted the outer surface of a cabinet of measures 1 meter, 2 meters and 1.5 meters. So here given to the different type of measurements. So we know that that is a cuboid. Which shape of a figure here given? Cuboid. Find the surface area of the cover if she painted all except top and bottom. Into bottom of the cabinet. So here given to the already given that except top and bottom. So we will find the lateral surface of area. What is the formula of lateral surface of area? 2h into L plus B. We use the formula third question. 2h into L plus B. Already given that L equal to 1 meter. 2 meters equal to B. C H is equal to 1.5 meters. Substitute the formula. Okay. Now fourth problem. Find the cost of painting a cuboid of dimensions 20 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 12 centimeters. So it is also cuboid figure. At the rate of 5 paisa per square centimeter. So here find the first total surface of area. Find the first total surface of area. It is a cuboid. It is a cuboid. What is the formula? Total surface area of cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. So per every square centimeter equal to how much of the cost? 5 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 paisa. Sorry. Paisa. Okay. So substitute the formula. 2 into L is a 20 into B is a 15 plus B into h, 15 into 12 plus h into L. So here do that, 20 into 15, 0, 10, 1, 2. So here write 2 into 310. Sorry, here 0, 300. Next, 15 into 12, 10, 2 ones 2 plus 3, 5, 1, 180. So here plus 180 plus 12 into 20, 0, 0, 4, 240 plus 240. So 300 and plus 180, 480. 480 plus 240, 0, 8 plus 4, 12. 2 into 720. So we know that 2 zeros 0, 2 twos 4, 2 sevens 14. It is a square centimeters. It is a total surface area of a cuboid. So every square centimeters painting the cost of 5 paisa. 5 paisa. So here write the cost of painting, every square centimeter equal to 5 paisa. So here 144 square centimeters. So 1440 into 5 paisa. 0. 5 fours 20. 5 fours 20 plus 2, 22. 5 ones 5 plus 2, 7. So here write 7,200 paisa. We know that 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. We know that 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. So here 7,200 paisa equal to 72 into 100. So here write 72 rupees. Understand here? 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So here 7,200 paisa means 72 rupees. Understand this one? Okay, right. So here asking that the rate of 5 paisa per square centimeter equal to 72 rupees. The total surface area of your painting 72 rupees. Okay? Okay. Thank you, my dear students.